Hey guys, I'm back from my little camping trip with Dad. I'm not sure exactly how this video is going to turn out. You know, I think the older that I get, the less I like being away from home. I think when I was younger, you kind of see them as getting away and getting away from everything, which I still feel that way, but I don't like being away from the family. If I go out of town or do a trip, I kind of want my family to come with me these days. And I think as we get older, or maybe it's just me, I don't know. But in today's video, it's kind of a mishmash of stuff. I started out Friday with a service call. It was an electrical problem. It wasn't an HVAC problem, but we figured it out. My electrician's going to go out there and swap a panel out for them. It's an older panel, so that'll get them safe and they can operate their heat pump. After that, I got kind of a mishmash of stuff, riding out to our camping spot, and just some kind of goofy hijinks. A little bit of drinking, a little bit of gambling as well mixed in there. It wouldn't be a Seton Dad camping trip if we didn't mix that stuff in. So we got that in there, and then just kind of random photos and stuff to show you guys what we did this weekend. Real beautiful area that we went to up in north central Oregon, and I highly recommend checking these spots out if you guys are ever in the Pacific Northwest. If you live here and you haven't been there, definitely check it out. It's up there outside a place called Ty Valley, Oregon. So hope you enjoyed today's video, and I plan on being back tomorrow with some more HVAC content. This one's kind of a mixture, so if you're not interested in some of the personal stuff, then so be it. But I thought it was kind of funny. Hey, it even involves a poached egg on the fire. So stay tuned, guys. Just kind of a goofy mishmash of things. Hope you enjoy it. Good morning, guys. Seton HVAC. It is Friday, October 18th, 2024. Straight ahead, that would be Mount Jefferson. Camera's not doing it justice, but I'm almost to the service call. I'm gonna go. This is the one where I had to swap out a Honeywell Vision Pro. Out here on this. This is called the Madras Plateau, is what I call it. Up here in north central Oregon. But I'm gonna see what's going on. She said when she turned on the heat last week, she smelled a burning smell in the electrical panel. So I don't know if maybe she was just smelling the heat strips burning off, because the furnace is right there by the panel. But yeah, we'll see what's going on here. I'm probably gonna post this on Monday. So yeah, this will be a few days old. I'm going straight from here, heading out to the campground with my dad. So I'm gonna be out there all weekend. I might get some goofy video of us playing out there or whatever. Boys will be boys. But anyway, I'm gonna get you some shots out here. I'm gonna make it quick, and I will see you on Monday. All right, guys. I didn't get any video of that because the customer's right there, and not really that interested anyway. I'll have a couple pictures here for you. I'll post them here in a second. Bad breaker. So the line side of the breaker melted. Must have had a bad connection. So I called up my electrician, and he's going to go out there this afternoon, and probably going to end up doing a panel swap. He said once that happens, stuff starts burning up on those. It's an older panel. It's the old Westinghouse panel. It's probably 30 years old or so. So he's going to go out there and probably give him a quote on a new panel. But check out these couple of pictures. It's pretty bad. So yeah, it wasn't anything I did. It's just an old electrical panel. But we'll get them fixed up. It's going to cost them a little money, but hey, their house didn't burn down, so there's that, right? So I'm going to head to the liquor store. I'm going to get my dad a couple bottles of brandy for the camping trip. I got to pick up some snacks and food and stuff, supplies, and stop at the bank, and then I'm going camping. sure where we're headed, guys, but we're headed somewhere out here in the middle of nowhere. My dad up there, I'm following. Long gravel road, a little bumpy. All right, we got the bowl of water. It's been there for probably about, what, an hour and a half, Dad?
Approximately.
And it's right next to this raging inferno. This one's full of water, and the bowl we put over here that had heavy water in it melted in about 10 minutes. And now we cracked an egg and put it in there. It's probably about 1,000 degrees, but put water in a bowl. You never know what's going to happen, so let's see what happens. I'll come back in about 10 minutes to see if we got a poached egg or not. All right, Dad wanted to shine a light on the project, so we got ourselves a cooking egg there on the rocks. Now, remember, it's been in here an hour and a half against this raging inferno, and it's cooking very slow. We'll have a poached egg for you soon, guys. All right, it's whitening up. My dad said I was racist for saying that, but it's an egg. It's supposed to whiten up, and it needs to lighten up soon. It's looking good, though. We're going to bring it for breakfast tomorrow to the restaurant. Whatever. All right. I'm sure everybody was wondering how the egg was doing, so let's do a little update here. It looks like it's about half poached, half a little liquidy on the other side. But hey, it's got 1,000 degrees about a foot away. We'll try better next time. I promise you that you guys will get a full omelet next time, and Dad will eat it. I expect him to scoop it out right now. But look at that fire. We have created fire! All right, campfires rolling down. It's time to scare the locals with my coyote call. Ow! 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 And that's how we roll. All right, tent, going to sleep soon. All right, guys, that's it for our camping trip. We're heading out of here. Oh, and I'm gonna have to detoxify today, I think. We're gonna head and get some breakfast. Probably do one last little video later when I'm on the highway. I don't know. Oh man, the roads are so rough out here, but that's camping for you. All right, I don't have anything else to say.